Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we have to do proof of two theorems in chapter number 6. First is angle sum property and second one is pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. So first of all we are doing the proof of angle sum property. First of all we will write the statement here. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We all have used this theorem in questions in the exercise, but now we are proving that sum of all interior angles is 180. So prove that we will do construction, and construction part is we will draw a line DE which is parallel to BC and it is passing through A. So we will draw a line DE here, and we have assumed that this is angle 1, this is angle 2, 3, 4 and 5. So but we have to prove that angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So let us start the proof here. So we can see that DAE is a straight line, and we know that all the adjacent angles which lie on a straight line, they sum up to 180 degree, that are called linear pair. So we will write here 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is equal to 180 degree, which is equal to linear pair. So let us assume this is equation number 1. Now we have assumed in the construction that DE is parallel to BC and this AB will form transversal. So we know that whenever the lines are parallel, the pair of alternate angles are equal. So here we can see that angle 1 and angle 4 form pair of alternate angles. So from here angle 1 will be equal to angle 4, that is alternate angles. Again we can see that again DE is parallel to BC and AC is transversal. So angle 3 will be equal to angle 5 because they also form pair of alternate angles. So angle 3 is equal to angle 5 alternate angles. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 4, angle 3 is equal to angle 5. We will put these values in equation number 1 here. So now equation 1 changes to angle 1 is equal to angle 4, so we will replace angle 1 by angle 4 in equation number 1. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 5, so we will replace angle 3 by angle 5 there, which is equal to 180 degree. And what is angle 4? Angle 4 is equal to angle B. What is angle 2? Angle 2 is equal to angle A in triangle ABC. Angle 5 is equal to angle C. So from here we can see that sum of all the interior angles, that is angle B plus angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So this is the proof of theorem angle sum property, that sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So now we will move to theorem number 2. Theorem number 2 states that when two lines intersect each other, then pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. We all know that vertically opposite angles are equal, but now we have to prove that pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. So let us suppose AB and CD are two lines which intersect at point O. So we have to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 because they form pair of vertically opposite angles, and also we have to prove that angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So now we will start the proof. So from the figure we can see that AOB is a straight line, and we know that sum of adjacent angles on a straight line is 180 degree, that is linear pair. So we will write AOB is a straight line, then angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, because this is a straight line AOB and 2 and 3 form pair of adjacent angles. So 2 plus 3 will be 180, that is linear pair. Let us suppose this is equation number 1. Again we can see that COD is also a straight line. So angle 1 plus angle 2 will also form linear pair. So COD is a straight line. So angle 1 plus angle 2 will also form linear pair, and the sum will be equal to 180 degree. So let us suppose this is equation number 2. Now we can see that this part is also equal to 180 and this part is also equal to 180. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say that from 1 and 2 we can say that angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Because their RHS are equal, so the LHS will also be equal. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. From here we can see that angle 2 will cancel out here. So what is left here? Angle 3 is equal to angle 1. So we also have to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. 1 and 3 form pair of vertically opposite angles, and we have proved that these two angles are equal. Similarly, we can say that angle 2 will be equal to angle 4, because they also form pair of vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So this was proof of theorem 2, that is pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. So now the chapter 6 is over here. So we will do the next chapter in the next video. Till then, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.